Good morning all of you. Welcome to the online classes of TMPS class 10th. This is a very important video for all of you because today we'll be discussing about the second chapter of geography. Basically I'm talking second chapter because theoretical portion की अगर बात करें आप मैप को छोड़कर तो ये आपका second chapter है किस हिसाब से मार्क्स के हिसाब से। वैसे तो हमने दो चैप्टर अभी पीछे कवर किए लेकिन वो 10 मार्क्स के अंदर ही दोनों चैप्टर आते थे और ये इंडिविजुअल चैप्टर है जो 10 मार्क्स का आता है। आपको ज्योग्राफी में यू विल बी गेटिंग 9 क्वेश्चंस आउट ऑफ विच यू हैव टू डू 5। 9 क्वेश्चंस मिलेंगे और जिनमें से ऑप्शंस होते हैं जिसमें आपको केवल 5 करने हैं। तो पहले दो चैप्टर हम लोग ने किए वो 10 मार्क्स कवर करते थे जिनका बेसिक नाम था क्लाइमेट ऑफ इंडिया। एंड टुडे वी विल बी डिस्कसिंग अबाउट द सेकेंड चैप्टर दैट इज ऑफ 10 मार्क्स दैट इज सॉइल। Here basically we'll be discussing about soil in full detail. We'll be talking about soil in India and what are different types of soil in India and how they are useful to our country as well as our people. Let's get started. चलिए शुरू करते हैं. Today basically soil. What do you understand by the term soil? Soil is basically a substance which is formed by the process of weathering and denudation. Weathering and denudation, what is weathering and denudation? With the time, you have read in class 9th also, with the time what happened that rocks get changed into fine particles, then they are broken into small particles that is known as the soil particles. Basically ये समय के साथ जो आपका weathering होता है, weathering is basically a process in which the breaking and disintegration of the rocks is there and denudation is moving of soil from one place to another. This happens with agents of weathering such as air, water, wind. These all help in the formation of soil. A million of years is required to make a bit of soil. That is why soil is very important natural resource to us. And the top layer of the earth is covered with soil. अब जैसे जैसे आप नीचे जाते जाओगे तो soil क्या होगी वो खत्म होती जाएगी और रॉक्स स्टार्ट हो जाते हैं। इसीलिए आपने देखा होगा टॉप लेयर पे सॉइल होती है फिर नीचे क्या होते हैं आपके बड़े बड़े ग्रेवल्स एंड सैंड्स पत्थर होते हैं। फिर और नीचे जाओगे तो बेड पे और ज्यादा बड़े रॉक्स मिलेंगे। दैट इज व्हाई इट इज बीइंग सेड कि सॉइल इज अ वेरी प्रेशियस रिसोर्स एंड वी शुड सेव इट। अब इसमें एक बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन जो 1 मार्क्स के लिए पूछा जाता है कि व्हाट इज पेडोजेनिस। व्हाट इज पेडोजेनिस याद रखिएगा। The formation of soil is known as pedogenesis. It's a very important question that is asked in your board examination. ठीक? What is pedogenesis? Pedogenesis is basically the formation of soil. Now, after that, what is the different forms of soil that are present in our country? चलिए, let's get start with that. First, alluvial soil. What do you understand by the term alluvial soil? Alluvial soil beta is the most important soil of the world and it is found in our country in large number due to the presence of Ganga, Brahmaputra and Indus. Indus इसलिए मैं बोलता हूँ because पंजाब एंड हरियाणा के एरियाज इंडस से फेड होते हैं। साथ ही साथ जो पाकिस्तान हमारा इंडियन सब कॉन्टिनेंट का ही हिस्सा है उसमें भी इंडस रिवर का बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट रोल प्ले होता है और इंडस और उनकी 5 ट्रिब्यूटरीज आते हैं। That is why this type of soil is also known as रेवाइन सॉइल। बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है, इनके डिफरेंट नाम हैं जो मैं बता रहा हूं उसको नोट कर लीजिए। अगर आप इसको समझ लेंगे यू विल बी गेटिंग वेरी गुड मार्क्स, अदरवाइज यू विल बी कंफ्यूज कि इतने सारे इसके नाम क्या क्या हैं। पहले समझ लीजिए। सबसे पहला व्हाट इज द नेम ऑफ एलुवियल सॉइल। फर्स्ट एलुवियल सॉइल, सेकंड रेवाइन सॉइल। रेवाइन सॉइल मतलब इट इज फॉर्म्ड बाय द रिवर्स। थर्ड इज द ट्रांसपोर्टेड सॉइल बिकॉज द थिंग्स which are being formed in the form of sand, gravels, humus is present in this. It is transported by rivers from one place to another. Fourth, it is ex-situ soil. बहुत important याद रखिएगा. It is also known with the name of ex-situ soil. ठीक है? So these are different names of alluvial soil and you should remember by heart. Alluvial soil is basically soil which is formed by the decomposition of the rocks and it is brought by the Himalayan rivers or the rivers from top टूवर्ड्स द प्लेन्स और प्लेन्स में आकर ये जैसे छोड़ते हुए आगे बढ़ जाती हैं। जैसे इंडो गैंजेटिक प्लेन इज अ वेरी कॉमन एग्जांपल। गंगा ब्रह्मपुत्र प्लेन इज आल्सो एग्जांपल ऑफ दैट एंड आवर कंट्री हैज अ लार्ज एरिया कवर्ड विद एलुवियल सॉइल। दिस सॉइल इज रिच इन नाइट्रोजन एंड बेसिकली इट लैक्स इन पोटैश। पोटैश में लैक करती है एंड इट इज वेरी गुड फॉर ग्रोइंग एनी टाइप ऑफ क्रॉप्स। यू कैन से इट इज ग्रोन इन दिस and it is best grown for wheat as well as rice. That is why we have seasons of cropping here. that is Kharif and Rabi, that we'll be discussing in agriculture chapter. Now, the basic thing about this type of soil, it is a very fertile soil due to the presence of humus. What do you understand by the term humus? Humus is basically the fertile material, microorganisms which are present in this soil which make it very fertile. और humus हर साल renew होता है कैसे? By the floods which are being brought or the sand and gravels which are being brought by these Himalayan rivers. That is why it is very fertile and remains fertile throughout the year, and year after year it is replenished. Replenished मतलब फिर से recreate हो जाती है इसकी fertility. Now, what are the different types of alluvial soil? ये भी बहुत name 2 different types of alluvial soil and what are the difference between them? बहुत important question है. तो 2 types of alluvial soils are खद्दर and भंगर. याद रखिएगा, खद्दर soil and भंगर soil. It is also basically known with the खद्दर soil is the new alluvium and the bhangar soil is the old alluvium. अब इसके बीच में डिफरेंस समझ लो. खद्दर soil is basically a soil which is renewed in fertility every year. It is basically blackish to brownish in color. It is dark brown to blackish in color due to the presence of large amount of humus. It is found near the rivers and it is very fertile and its fertility is renewed every year. And the amount of sand and pebbles in this soil is less. अब भंगर soil के बारे में बात करें. भंगर soil is a soil which is rich in humus, but the amount of humus is less. It is light brown in color, and it is large number of sand and gravels are present in it. And in this soil, large number of sand and gravels are present. It is not so fertile as the Khaddar soil. And it is basically found in the middle course. Okay, so this is the basic difference between the different 2 types of soil of alluvial. Now, alluvial soil, you will be studying that it is the most fertile soil which is found in the river plains, and it is basically growing any type of crops, whether it is wheat, rice, sugarcane, any type of crops you can grow in that. Now, next type of soil is the laterite soil. Laterite soil. What is laterite soil? Basically, laterite soil is also known with the name of leached soil. Which soil? Leached. Leached मतलब LEECHED, leached soil. Leached soil मतलब होता है it is formed by the process of leaching. ये कैसे बनी है? With the process of leaching. Leaching क्या होता है? बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन है, पूछा जाता है. When the top layer containing silica, जो भी top layer of the soil होती है containing silica, it is washed away by the action of hot and dry spells of season. Hot and dry spells of season मतलब कभी बहुत गर्मी होगी, कभी बहुत ज्यादा आप कह सकते हो उमस होगी और कभी बहुत ज्यादा बारिश होगी. तो इसके कारण से जब top layer of the soil would be removed, the silica would be removed. Due to that is known as leaching, the process of leaching. And when leaching would be occurred, it would lead to the formation of laterite soil. इस type की soil is basically present in the Kerala in our country. जो अपने बात की alluvial soil कहाँ है? नदर इंडिया में ज्यादा प्रेजेंट है. इसी तरह से ये जो है आपका laterite soil है, जिसे leach soil भी कहते हैं, ये कहाँ प्रेजेंट है? आपकी केरला में. और ये बेसिकली इस आप कह सकते हो फॉर्म and this soil is present due to the process of leaching. अब this soil is used for plantation agriculture. This soil responds well to manure and fertilizers. Manures and fertilizers plus irrigation अगर बहुत अच्छा किया जाए तो this soil responds well and it is very good for growing plantation type of agriculture. इसीलिए rubber, coffee, tea and other आप कह सकते हो farming are also popular, which is known as plantation farming. Basically, these are the 2 types of soil which you should study in this session. Tomorrow, basically, we'll be discussing about next type of soil, which is black soil, then red soil, and yellow soil. And after that, we'll be also discussing about soil conservation and what are the methods of soil conservation, as well as what is soil erosion. I hope this much is clear to you. Be very strict with your timetable, follow it and study hard, because if you will not be studying, you will not be securing good marks. It's high time. Now keep on studying, and if you have any problem, you can directly call me, text me, as well as you are free to ask your questions whenever you have any doubts. Thank you and have a nice day, and subscribe to this channel if you have not subscribed, as well as like this video. Thank you.